Welcome back today. We have an amazing recipe for all natural hair care. We're going to make a rejuvenating aloe vera hair mask that will leave your locks looking healthy, shiny, and beautiful. So let's get started. First things first, we need fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its moisturizing and soothing properties, making it perfect for nourishing our hair. Simply cut open an aloe vera leaf and extract the gel. Let's transfer the aloe vera gel into a mixing bowl. It's essential to use fresh aloe vera gel to get the maximum benefits for your hair. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a fantastic natural conditioner that helps repair damaged hair and prevents breakage. To enhance the moisturizing properties of our hair mask, let's add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture, leaving your hair soft and hydrated. Now it's time to mix everything together until we have a smooth and consistent paste. Take your time and make sure all the ingredients are well combined. With our hair mask ready, it's time to apply it to our hair. Begin by parting your hair into sections, making it easier to distribute the mask evenly. Starting from the roots, apply the mask generously, working your way down to the ends. Make sure to cover all your hair, as this mask will provide nourishment from the roots to the tips. Once you've applied the mask, gather your hair and secure it with a clip or a hair tie. This will help the mask penetrate and work its magic while you relax. After about 30 to 60 minutes, it's time to rinse off the mask. Head to the shower and thoroughly rinse your hair with lukewarm water until all the mask is removed. Once you're done rinsing, gently towel. Dry your hair. Avoid rubbing vigorously as it can cause frizz and breakage. And there you have it. Look at that shine. Your hair will thank you for the natural nourishment and hydration it's received. I hope you enjoyed it and give it a try. Remember, taking care of your hair doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes the best solutions can be found in nature's own ingredient. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting tips and tricks on hair every day.